Good morning and welcome to the Thanksgiving edition of Toggle Daily Video Insights. To everybody in the US, happy Thanksgiving. And this will be a very, very brief insight today, just taking advantage of a moment for some quiet reflection of what's going on in the market. If you like these insights, please subscribe to us on our YouTube channel or otherwise check us out on toggle.global. My name is Jan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Toggle, and I'll do the quick walkthrough through one of the insights today. In the spotlight today is the XME ETF, which is the S&P Metals and Mining Index. It's one of those sectors that had not been doing as well compared to a lot of the high flyers like Netflix, Zoom, and so on. But the key thing that Toggle is noticing is that the recent uplift in price has produced enough thrust that although the company, the way we measure it, looks overbought, it looks like the rally could easily extend over the next 3 months by another 26%. So what you can see here is that over the past 12 similar occasions where the stock had moved this much in such a short period of time, this is how we measure overbought. It's basically the size of the recent move relative to the typical range. And so when that ends up being quite large relative to history, Toggle notes that as overbought and then analyzes subsequent history. In this case, it turns out that the stock had typically extended a run, and this is what we see here. So from the price of 28.26, the level at which the paradigm would be considered complete is around 37.54, and of course dropping below 23.62 would mean that the paradigm clearly isn't applying this time, that there must be another driver that's overcoming this. Looking at the history, you can see that actually there have been other periods, actually quite a number of them over the last 20 years, where you've seen a similar kind of thrust in the company or the sector extending the gains. Again, Toggle had analyzed other periods as well, but it seemed the relationship between the thrust and the horizon was strongest at the 3-month mark. So much for the mining index. In the daily brief today, we also discussed the very interesting undercurrents in the overall market, in particular, the fact that the equal weighted equity indices have started to outperform the market cap based indices, which means that the breadth in the market looks to be expanding. Generally good news for anybody who is staying bullish and long invested in the market. So much for today. Please check us out again on Toggle.global. You can sign up for the daily brief or sign up or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you again on Friday.